en Costa Rica.
Hi everyone! So I just wanted to come on and film a little intro for this Costa Rica video because I wanted to kind of contextualize the trip. So I was actually in Costa Rica to be a bridesmaid in a wedding, and it was a family wedding. So for a lot of the time, yes, I was doing fun stuff in Costa Rica and it was incredible, but it was also spending time with my family. So I kind of wanted to just have it be that. That being said, I think being in Costa Rica made me think a lot about why I want to travel and why I want to document my travels specifically. Because we just met so many incredible people. We were hiking and we met this man who is American from Connecticut, which is crazy, but has been living in Costa Rica for 40 years and just knows the culture so well and like knew our culture as Venezuelans so well. And we had kind of this really interesting conversation about what it means to be an expat. And it was just such a crazy thing that we're like out in the middle of the jungle and we can meet someone like that who has such an interesting backstory, who understands our backstory, who we like relate to. I felt like got a glimpse, particularly because the wedding venue was about 3 hours away from San Jose, so we got to see a different side of Costa Rica that I don't think we would have gotten to see if we hadn't kind of had that extended period of travel. And to me that was really interesting, that kind of in-between space of, I guess in Spanish it's called la carretera, which basically means it's a road, specifically in the context of a road trip. And it's just that kind of long stretch of road between these two destinations. And to me, that was so interesting, and just getting to see all the roadside stops, stands selling fruit, and just it felt very organic to me. And that's kind of what I wanted to capture here, was capture that like in-between space and capture just like the culture as it was. And I think that's what is so important to me about traveling and about now being intentional in documenting my travel, is I want to capture places as they are. I want to capture people and their stories, and to me that's really important. So that's kind of what I tried to make this video. Just an exploration of the people we saw, the culture we saw, the ways in which it is similar and different to my culture as a Venezuelan, and the ways that it is, you know, comforting and familiar, but it's also exciting because it's something I've never seen before. You know, specifically, I've never been to Costa Rica before. So, yeah, this video is just an exploration of all of those things.